Good morning, good morning. So last night it got a little cold, windy, and I was just checking on the babies, and something has come through here and dug up stuff, messed up their little home. Let me see. I can't remember. I'm gonna have to go back to the video because I thought I put 5 over here. But oh god, I hope it went dog shit. I don't know. So I'm just gonna make a new little hole. And try to salvage her, because why would you pour her out about a week like that? I don't know. But let's see if we can give her a new spot to flourish. Maybe I didn't put it deep enough. I don't know, but all of this looked dug up. Okay, so this little baby. I don't know, man. And y'all can see it's frost on the soil, but it'll warm up and melt. I don't recall having to do this so early last year. They just grew. And what is all of this? Well, she's still in the ground. I don't know where this came from, but let's give you some good soil around. I just feel like it makes her feel better. Looks better, feel better. I don't know. And I'm just gonna go around and check on the other babies and see if they made it through the night as well. Yeah, I know I had 5 over here. That's how I know. It's only 3. There's one. My snake got covered. Try to keep the animals away. They don't give a